sorry, my voice is a bit croaky. And my hair is blah. I just got out of the shower. And I probably got new glasses since the last time I saw you. I'm a little bit sick, so I'm kind of coughing uncontrollably because it's like things that stuck in my throat and I just need to cough and get it out and it's not working. So yeah, and my hair is really quite dry compared to what I'm used to, so I think it's making it worse. And I'm playing with my hair because I had it recently cut into layers, so there's like a whole bunch of layers here. But to let you know, I'm currently in Texas. We're in a place, I think it's like Carrollton, Denton, something like that. And we're staying with family friends at the moment. So it's pretty cool. We actually kind of have a house to ourselves for the weekend until Sunday. Today is Friday, Good Friday, so Easter is coming up soon. And yeah, so I arrived in the States yesterday, Thursday, and I forgot to start vlogging, so I started a little bit today, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. Vlogs are going to be a bit sporadic throughout the trip, but hopefully the start the start of May will bring the new vlogs every day. So see you then, and I hope I get to upload. I might not be able to upload frequently depending on where I am because we're road tripping, so we shall see where I can get Wi-Fi and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this current vlog and I will see you again soon. Bye! Hello everybody, it's the 19th of April. I'm currently in Texas with my parents. We're at the stockyards in Fort Worth. Are we in Fort Worth? Yeah, Fort Worth. Yeah. And we're gonna go see some cows. So yeah.
Oh, no battery. Ah, yeah.
B, you're not in. Hey, go get a B. Can I get B? Wow, look at the horn.
Oh, that's it.
So we are here at Texas Roadhouse. Oh, you can't see. We're in Texas Roadhouse and we have bread. Comes with alright, it comes with cinnamon, honey, butter. We're gonna try that. And you get free peanuts. Amazing. We finished up eating at Texas Roadhouse, had steak, and I forgot to film it. It was a bit dark in there anyway, but we've come to the mall, which is called Willow Bend. I'm a little bit under the weather. I've got like a sore throat and everything. Bit keep coughing and everything. That's brilliant.
Wow, sunglasses.
But yeah, we have that in UK. Anyway, these sunglasses, I bought them in Target this morning. Spent almost $100. Yeah, we're just leaving the mall now. I went to Forever 21. Dad's carrying it for me. I bought 3 pairs of jeans. They're like stretchy denim, fake denim, whatever. But they were very cheap. They were like $12 each. So pretty happy with that. And now I have some trousers to wear because it's a little bit chillier than I thought it would be because I only bought shorts and dresses. Hey everybody, I don't know what time it is. We are staying with some family friends and we have a house to ourselves because the daughter who owns it is actually away this weekend. So she was here last night. But anyway, I wanted to show you what I got from Target. So I got these sunglasses, they're really cute. Actually, like, I don't know, they come out red a little bit, which is kind of fun. I like the white on them. So yeah, and then I bought this play suit, jumpsuit. I don't know, it's very pretty. I'm not going to try it on to show you. But the straps are a little bit too long for me. But it looks like this. There's my mum. I bought this t-shirt. It's so soft. It says Friends, but the Friends is actually hollow. So cool, hollow. And then I got some socks. I got a whole bunch of socks. I got Lion King socks, which is 3 pairs. I got some flamingo socks. I got some hamburger socks and some hedgehog socks. And I got this really cute water bottle, which I'm gonna wash and use tomorrow because I can. And got these really cute Pyrex dishes, which have lids, so you can like put food in and like take them, and it's the Pyrex glass. It's not plastic, which is pretty cool. And then I bought jeans from Twitter, but that's about it today. So yeah, I am gonna go to have a shower and go to bed. See you guys tomorrow. Bye!